Hello fam, I'm Celeste and welcome to our vlog. We are a family of 3 living here in New Zealand. Kapag magro-road trip kayo sa New Zealand, ang makikita nyong mga view ay mga farms na maraming sheep and baka. So this is day 1 of our trip at Bahia Harbor. What we did here ay nag-ferry lang kami papunta sa kabilang island at nag-ikot sa town. So, let's talk about paano nga ba kami nakarating sa New Zealand. Before that, noong August 27, 2022, nakarating yung partner ko sa New Zealand. So, yung parents niya, yung in-laws ko, ay nandito na sa New Zealand pati yung mga kapatid niya. Then, naka-visitor visa siya at that time. Tapos, pagkarating niya dito sa New Zealand, nag-apply siya for international student visa. That's around like 10 months of studying healthcare level 5. Then after that, after niya graduate noong October 2023, we applied for work visa. It's accredited employer work visa. Then I think it was 1 to 2 months bago na approve. So by December 2023, the EEWV was approved. Then, from that time, pag meron kang visang ganon, pwede mong masama yung anak mo and partner mo. So, we applied agad. So, we are finalizing the documents. Then, we booked immigration advisor as well to help us for the application. Then, by January 2024, medical na. Then, February 18, 2024, we enlarged the visa. Then, March 21, 2024, na-approve yung visa namin mag-ina. It took us more than a year bago kami makuha dito. But, since wala kasi siyang work visa that time, so, ang kailangan niyang pathway ay mag-aral siya dito sa New Zealand. So, yun nga, pagka-graduate niya, nakapag-apply agad ng work visa, then nakuha kami kaagad dito. However, kapag meron kang work visa kaagad, kahit like 1 month pa lang, or kahit hindi na umabot sa 1 month, pwede mo nang i-apply yung family mo. Mahirap dito, nakaka-homesick, but we are indeed blessed to be here. Yung sa mga biyanan ko naman, yung father-in-law ko, tumating siya dito noong 2017. Then, napunta niya yung kanyang asawa, yung mother-in-law ko, noong 2019, pati yung bunsong niyang anak. Then, after ilang months, nakuha niya yung 2 pa niyang anak na babae. Then, yung partner ko kasi, nagpaiwan siya sa Philippines doon at that time. Since DOST scholar siya, nag-aral siya noon sa RTU. And gusto niya doon mag-aral sa Philippines. So, then napag-isipan na nung 2020, pupunta na siya sa New Zealand. However, nung March 2020, nagkaroon ng COVID. So, na-postpone yung kanyang application for New Zealand visa. Then, ang ginawa ay dapat student visa siya noon, dependent sa kanyang father. Kaya nga lang nagkaroon ng COVID, so hindi natuloy. Then, by 2022, nag-apply yung in-laws ko ng residency visa. Then, kasama yung partner ko dun sa residency visa. However, nagka-baby kami. And sa rules kasi ng residency visa na yon, yung one of resident visa, ay kailangan yung i-apply mong anak ay wala rin siyang anak itself. But however, we had a baby. So, they withdrew his residency visa application. So, ang naging pathway niya para makapunta dito ay visitor visa. Then, he applied for international student visa. Then, ngayon ay naka-work visa siya. Then, under kami ng work visa niya. And in 2 years, makakapag-apply na rin kami ng aming sariling resident visa. So, hopefully, in God's perfect time, maging resident na rin kami sa napakagandang bansang ito. And thank you for watching. Follow for more for New Zealand contents. Bye!